All right, guys. This one for me is a good news concerning Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu have at least confirmed to us that he's happy. He's happy with the change of the judge. He's happy with the proceedings that happened today. You know, so for me, I'm happy too, because I'm looking forward to whatever that's going to happen, because I know, like I stated yesterday on our broadcast, that yes, I believe Nnamdi Kanu is going to be released now. So let's see what happens. But I want you guys to listen to what Nnamdi Kanu have to say. Maybe you might be able to feel the same thing I'm feeling right now, you know, over the positivism. But listen to what Nnamdi Kanu have to say.
Is that justice will be done, of course, in accordance with the rule of law. That's what I'm expecting.
Allow them to show themselves.
This way. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
You have finally gotten a new judge to handle your case. How do you feel about that?
Great, I suppose. Yes.
So what are your expectations from today's proceedings?
Is that justice will be done, of course, in accordance with the rule of law. That's what I'm expecting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
That's my daughter. Take advantage of my daughter.
How far? This is for one turn my brain this morning.
You expected me.
Hello. Hello.
Why are you pushing her? What's this problem? Allow them to show themselves.
Oh, this way. Come this way. This way.
Very long greetings from the Royal Majesty.
Let me stand up for you. Very good man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Allow you check them. Yes. Thank you. Good to see you. worry.
I'm not.
Not at all.
I'm not.
God bless you. Take care. All right. Be nice.
Ah.
Got it.
They got it. Nobody can tell how, yeah?
Now you've heard him. So that alone, that statement from him with the smiles on his face, you know, says it all. But it didn't end there. Nnamdi Kanu apologized, you know, to the previous judge, Binta, Wanko, and other people that were offended with the previous appearance in court. You know, there was a lot of apologies that went on today, but I'd like to quickly take this one with this article. As you can see right there on the screen. Yes, Nnamdi Kanu apologized over attack on judge and others. And I remember I said the last time when Nnamdi Kanu come court, you know, it went ballistic and everything went viral. You know, although whatever his reaction may be at that particular time is what resulted to giving us a new judge today. But I'd like to continue reading here. As you can see right there, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has tendered an apology over his recent attack on the Federal High Court and Justice Binta Wanko. Through his new counsel, Kanu Agabi San, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, the IPOB leader apologized to the federal government, lawyer Adegboyega Womolo San, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Agabi, a former Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice, also apologized to his team of lawyers earlier led by Ejemako for attacking Justice Binta Wanko. Agabi tendered the apology on Kanu's behalf on Friday before Justice James Omotosho, the new trial judge. He said Kanu was angry, had been for a very long time. He said the attack on Justice Binta Wanko was unjustified. He apologized to his team and who he attacked verbally. An apology was also rendered to the prosecution team led by Awomolo and the chairman of the body of benchers who they hold in high regard. Agabi added that Kanu was a good man and everyone can't be of like minds. Agabi pleaded that room should be made for errors and they must strive to save and not to destroy. While accepting the apology, the prosecution added that they would do their best to ensure an expeditious hearing of this case. Awomolo says he appreciates the feeling of Kanu and the heat the matters generates. Justice Omotosho said the length of the trial may have taken a toll on Kanu. He said when he was arraigned in 2015, he was 47. Now he's 57 and still does not know where he's headed. This, according to him, may have led him to make certain comments which were not right. Justice Omotosho also tendered an apology to the prosecutor on behalf of Kanu. Wow, this is brilliant, man. This is brilliant. When I hear him, so it looks like the new judge is very happy to handle Nnamdi Kanu's case. Because even for the new judge to tender an apology to Nnamdi Kanu and all that, it shows that something good is about to happen. Joy is coming. Let's stay positive, guys. Because Nnamdi Kanu have been there for a while. Obviously, he's not going to remain in jail forever. Nnamdi Kanu is not the worst citizen in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We have a lot of terrorists across Nigeria. We have kidnappers across Nigeria. We have a lot of people that have caused even more chaos across Nigeria. So let's keep our fingers crossed that something good is about to happen. But what's your own take of what happened today in court? Put it on the comment section and let us know. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. Let's interact on our live broadcasts. Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos. Take care and bye for now.